Once again, we are decorating with Feng Shui. Today we are talking about the earth element. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we are on to day 3 of our Decorating with the Feng Shui Elements series. There are 5 elements that we work with in Feng Shui. Today we are talking about the earth element. The earth element generates nourishment, knowledge, and stability. It is frequently represented by square shapes, sandy colors, light yellows and browns, stones, terracotta, ceramic, salt rock lamps, and clay. So let's dive in. When you're really decorating with the earth element, earth is not as heavy as the wood element, surprisingly, nor is that quite as intense as the fire element. Earth is more down to earth. So frequently, my favorite earth element is stones. This one in particular happens to be my favorite. Can you see my initials? I just sort of found it that way one day walking along. So this one had to come live with me. Personally, I have a collection of wishing stones that I tend to collect and use when I need earth element in a space in my own home. You can also use ceramics of any type, and you can bring plants back in. Welcome back, our plant. You'll notice that even though this isn't a terracotta plant holder, it is a terracotta color, and it is filled with dirt, which is kind of the ultimate earth element. And so frequently you can use plants, you can bring them in if you need a lot of earth element just because of the dirt and the terracotta in the pots themselves. It's kind of a last resort because really you're bringing in more wood element, but you can use any of the colors in the browns, terracottas, and light sandy colors. You can bring those colors in soft goods or in your art. And now I showed you this one before also when we talked about the wood element, but you'll notice in this particular art, even though there are plants, it's mostly a desert landscape, which is very earthy in nature. Art images that include mountains or plains, vast stretches of earth would all be appropriate for an earth remedy. Let me know in the comments below what other questions you have about decorating with the earth element. And while you're down there, don't forget to get your subscribe on so you don't miss the next video in this series, which is all about decorating with metal. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.